really cool and far. Let me know where you guys are from. I've been to 52 countries in the world, and I've been to a lot of different states. So where's everybody from today? Las Vegas. I'll be in Las Vegas on Sunday and Monday. Madison, Wisconsin. My parents went to Madison. I lived in San Diego for a while. California. Scottsdale. Nice. Nice. All right. Alabama. I was just in Alabama, too, visiting Jeanette. So we're going to start here in about 1 minute, guys. All right, so let's get this recording going here. So we have a lot of slides and a lot of things to go over today. All right, today's presentation, my name is Andrew Keene, and I'll be your presenter today. I am a full-time trader and educator, and just a little picture of me at Bloomberg on 59th and Lex back in New York. So this is an example of a trade you can potentially make in Dick's Sporting Goods. So Dick's Sporting Goods, institutional order flow in the option market. A trader bought DKS calls for 75 cents. These calls went to $4 or good for 600% gains. And today I'm going to teach you this as well. So my name is Andrew Keene. I am one of the top independent options traders in the world. I have made millions of dollars in my trading career. I've taught about 50,000 students how to trade. I've hosted over 500 live webinars. Today is a live webinar, so nothing is recorded. If you guys have any questions throughout the presentation, please feel free to ask questions. Current P&L year to date, and I would have to change this to about 95%. So I got hit a little bit in the last couple of days in Deer. So I'm up 95%, close to about a double my trading account before commissions. I'm a regular contributor on CNBC, Bloomberg, Fox Business, Sky Australia, WCIU. I was just on Cheddar a couple weeks ago as well. Little risk disclaimer, you have to put this in every single webinar. Day trading, short-term trading, options trading, and futures trading are extremely risky undertaking. They are generally not appropriate for someone with little capital, little to no trading experience, or low tolerance of risk. Never execute a trade unless you're willing to invest your entire investment. As my mentor, Hubert Centers, always says, you can lose all your money trading. Okay? You can lose all your money trading. So make sure when you put on any trade anywhere in the world, you know how much you're willing to lose on a trade. Good traders think about how much money they can make. I consider myself a great trader. I say, if I am wrong, how much money can I potentially lose? So there's a proof in the pudding. This is a statement from Goldman Sachs. A couple of things. This is from 2008. So 2008, we see a couple of things that are really important here. We see the date. It should be blown up a little bit. December 31st, 2008. And we see my clearing firm, Goldman Sachs. We see my name on the account. My name is actually Andrew Keene. I see my group. It's called Keene Andrews Tilly Loos. Ed Tilly, CEO of the CBOE, personally backed me with his own capital for a very long time. And you can see my P&L here year to date. I made $3.4 million. So the system I'm going to teach you guys today, it's called the Supercharged Trading System. I made $3.4 million in 2008. You say, that's great, AK, but that's 2008. How is it working today? This is my statement, and I'll actually show you something ugly, because I don't mind showing when I lose money. I woke up this morning at basically 6:30, and the futures were up 22, and I was like, what am I going to do? Okay, so today I lost $27,000. This is my own money, guys. Okay, $27,000 of losses, but year to date is still up $53,000. So I started this year with a $55,000 account. Before commissions, I'm up $53,000. So I basically doubled my trading account, trading this, and my big position is Caterpillar. and I continue to get crushed in Caterpillar. I'm long December 110 puts, and now they're down to 50 cents. But look at here, guys. This is my overall P&L. So yeah, you can look at my losses because I lost a lot of money today. But my year-to-date P&L is I basically doubled the trading account using the system that I'm teaching you guys today, which is called the Supercharged trading system. In March 2003, almost 16 years ago, I started trading using the strategy I am teaching you guys today. The strategy is designed to beat the hedge funds through probability using unusual option activity. And now that I lost all this money in Deere, I'm actually going to do something with my trading. I'm going to start using more stop losses. I actually haven't used stop losses in a really long time. I'm going to use stop losses in my trading, and that Supercharged trading system is going to send you those alerts. Each day, there is always, in my opinion, one best trade of the day. If you guys want the best signal for today, I'll give you the best signal. So this is a proprietary-based scanner that I use for all my trading. There are 8,700 publicly traded companies. Out of 8,700 publicly traded companies, there are 4,199 with options in them. So out of those 4,199, I watch the scanner spit out 800 to 1,000 trades a day. There are 20 potentially really good trades. This was the best signal of the day. Institutional order flow, insider buying, or unusual option activity. A trader bought 8,800 CL February, 70 calls for 38 cents. When I saw this signal, I said, and this was a signal we sent out today, it was good for 25% profit in the course of an hour. So CL, I said, this is a good signal. I'm going to buy CL calls. So I bought 50 of the CL calls, the February 70s, for about 38 cents. I sold them at 50, and then I sold the balance at 45, so I sold them at 48. So on average, in CL today, in CCL, I bought them at 37, and I sold them at 47. You can see right here. So I made $500 today on this one signal, guys. Okay. So I bought them at 37. I sold them at 47. 50 lot. Okay. CL, based on unusual option activity. And these are the kind of signals that you're going to get throughout the course of the day. This one signal today, if you think about it from 37 to 47, 37 to 47, so I made 10 cents on 37 cents. So today, one signal produced 27% profits, okay? You're never going to get that in stock, in futures, in Forex. You can get that in a penny stock, but I don't trade penny stocks. So 27% profit today, guys, in the one signal we sent out. And I'll show you actually what it looks like here. This is it. Okay. So entry to open. So buy 20 of the CL Feb 70 calls for 38. Saw them at 50 and 65. Then within an hour, the first profit target was hit. That was hit for 33% profit. Then I sold the balance out. So CL today, guys, was an unbelievable signal. If you're part of the Supercharged trading system, you would need 35% profits in the course of just 4 hours. After trading this strategy over 14 years, there has been consistent patterns that has resulted in profitability. The real breakup came when we noticed how to better our exit strategies. Okay. The 2 golden rules, which I'm here to teach you today, were like hidden clues that a stock was about to take off to the upside or sell off. So I'm going to teach you guys the 2 golden rules today. One of them is unusual option activity, or what is known as institutional order flow in the option market. The second one is technical analysis. So these are the 2 golden rules that line up. Number 1, unusual option activity. And number 2, technical analysis in your trading. For example, in June 2018, Keene experienced the two market conditions and the stock took off to the upside. Keene August 27 calls went up 330% in value. This is the signal that I saw. Okay, so we start from the top. 8,700 publicly traded companies. 4,199 with options in those companies. Out of that, there's 20 actionable ideas every single day. Out of those 20 actionable ideas every single day, there is usually one best signal of the day. HAIN, August, 27 calls. Increase, 333%. $200 turned into $866. $1,000 turned into $4,330. Then in March 3rd, 2018, when U.S. Steel experienced two bearish market conditions, X dropped like a rock. Here is an example of U.S. Steel on the chart. So supercharged trading system. Number one signal, we saw unusual option activity in U.S. Steel, letter X, puts being bought. Number two, technical analysis. We know if there's no more buyers, then there has to be sellers to attract new buyers. Okay, so we saw puts being bought in U.S. Steel at the 44 strike. Many traders took this trade. These puts went up in value. So U.S. Steel puts went up 750%. $200 turned into $1,700. $1,000 turned into $8,150. And this is what we're going to teach you guys today. It's called the Supercharged trading system. It is combining unusual option activity with technical analysis. Those two are secrets for potential huge profitability. The two golden rules were used to create the supercharged trading system. When the two golden rules triggered at the same time, the stock often experienced a significant move. Or when Citigroup experienced the bearish supercharged trading system, the Citi March 74.5 puts increased 500%. The Citi 74.5 puts increased 500%. $250 turned into $1,450. $1,000 turned into $6,000. When the supercharged trading system appeared, stocks often had big moves and options jumped in value. Because options can make big profits when stocks experience big moves. So when you're buying options, no video. Video, it should be good. Can everybody see the screen and hear me? So when stocks have the two conditions of the supercharged trading system, we experience very big moves in stocks because options can make big profits when stocks experience big moves. And right now, we are seeing huge, not volatility because the VIX is down today. We're seeing volatility in stocks moving up or down. So this is the perfect time to trade the supercharged trading system. Buying calls and put options is the perfect way to cash in when stocks are likely to make big moves. The S&P has moved 140 points, is up 8% over the course of the last 7 trading days. What does this mean? The movements are here to stay, and this is the perfect time to trade this system. Based off the two golden rule setups, we named it the Supercharged Trading System. So the Supercharged Trading System is the grand echelon of trading. Stop looking at articles. Stop going to webinars. Stop listening to other gurus, okay? The only thing that matters in this world is price action, price momentum. If some trader is willing to risk $1 million on a trade, most of the time he is right. Doesn't mean he'll be wrong sometimes, but most of the time he's right. All I care about is institutional order flow in the option market. I do not care about articles. I do not read articles anymore. I listen to CNBC a lot, but I don't take anything they have to get it all with a grain of salt. Okay? You guys have to worry about the only thing that matters is price action, price momentum. Are there buyers or sellers in the option market? The Supercharged trading system not only forecasts direction, but also predicts when a big price move is likely to happen. There is a reason that institutions are taking certain expirations. Why? Because 3 things. Number 1, hedge funds have access to information we do not have, aka they're trading on insider information. That is a fact. Number 2, they have a better ROI, return investment, if they trade options versus stock. That is a fact. And number 3, they have a less chance of getting in trouble with trading the insider information if they're trading options instead of stock. So every single order I watch is a hedge fund, mutual fund, retail bank, or big trader. I am not, I repeat, I am not creating any of the trades myself. All I'm watching is institutional order flow in the option market. And big price moves are what make options explode in value. If you're long calls, you need FAR, fast aggressive move in the right direction. In either direction. Okay, so if you're buying calls, you need the stock to rip to the upside. You're buying out of the money calls. Buying out of the money puts, you need the stock to sell off very, very hard. You need that FAR, or time decay, and theta will hurt your position. Pairing the 2 golden rule and the STS, Supercharged Trading System, for trading power. This is what I learned from the biggest hedge funds in the world. Okay? So as you listen to this presentation, remember a couple of things. Number 1, I was a market maker on the floor of the Chicago Board Options Exchange. Number 2, I made millions of dollars of trading. Sometimes it's weird to say that I'm a millionaire from trading, but it's a fact. I'm a millionaire from trading. I don't think anybody else that gives presentations can tell you they're a millionaire from trading. I can. Number 3, I trade real money all the time with my own capital. Okay? Every single trade I take, I put on with my own money, which makes me different than everybody else. So this is what I learned from the biggest hedge fund traders in the world. In the early 2003s, a trading firm called Boda Capital Management stood literally for best option traders there are, BOTTA, taught me this highly secretive trading strategy. And I'm here to share it with you guys today. This training was so important. If I left the trading firm and went to another firm, is worth, and I don't know exactly, is like $120,000, $150,000. So I literally had to sign a contract with Boda Capital Management that said, hey, if I leave and I decide not to trade for Boda and I trade for another firm, I'm going to owe you $120,000. I did trade with Boda. I never got in trouble. And this is what I'm here to teach you guys today. Okay? The Supercharged trading system that is worth, over my 14 years of trading career, it is worth hundreds, if not hundreds of thousands, not millions of dollars in value. This system approach. So I studied it every single day in order to make millions in the market. This trading became known as what I call UOA, otherwise known as unusual option activity. Okay? Unusual option activity. Unusual option activity. What this firm discovered, turned dozens of just graduating college kids like myself into millionaires. Okay? I am a millionaire from trading. So this is basically, I'm a millionaire from trading, and I'm here to teach you today. But what was really intriguing was that combining the golden rule often produced superior results. The accuracy of these patterns with unusual option activity added to them increased the probability of highly explosive trade setups. And today, the supercharged trading system follows the same exact things I was taught by this trading group 15 years ago. So this system has been in effect for about 15 years. I'm here to teach you it today. Nobody else that gives presentation can tell you they're a millionaire from trading. Probably not. Nobody else can tell you that is profits minus losses. Not just profits, okay? Profits minus losses. And also, I do this in real time live, and I send you all these signals, guys. You will get every single trade for the next year through this program. When the two bullish rules lined up in Google, the stock took off. So here's in Google. Number one, we saw unusual option activity in Google at around the 1100 level. Number two, technical analysis. Last time it broke the cloud to the downside, it failed. So we know if it breaks the cloud to the downside again, it's probably going to fail again. What happened? Google took off to the upside. The Google March 9th, 2018 call option increased 1,400%. $100 turned into $1,500. $1,000 on the supercharged trading signal turned into $15,000. When the two bullish rules lined up for Alibaba, Baba rallied hard. Here we see when Baba was trading 200, we saw unusual option activity, institutional order flow in the option market. When Baba was trading 190 on the 200 strike, a trader bought the 200 calls. What happened? Baba took off for the upside. So number one, we saw unusual option activity. Number two, we saw the cloud breaking the cloud to the upside. Every time it's broke the cloud to the upside, it's found more buyers. So I knew this was a signal and is part of the supercharged trading system. The Baba March 200 calls increased 800% in 2 days. $250 turned into $2,250. $1,000 turned into $9,000. Just close your eyes for a minute and imagine what you would do if you took $1,000 and turned it into $9,000. And we're not talking about the lottery here. Okay, we're talking about real money, probability and math, and trades that you could put on potentially every single day to make money. When the two bullish lined up in PZZA, stock rallied hard. This is a chart of PZZA, okay? So some trader somewhere in the world bought over 4,000 PZZA. These were October 45 calls. So someone said, hey, I don't care if the CEO is getting in trouble for sexual harassment. I don't care any of the news out there. All I care about is I want to get long this stock. So somewhere in the world bought PZZA, October, 45 calls. These went from $1.30 to $9. Potentially, if you bought 30 of these and used a 50% stop loss, you would have risked $2,000. That $2,000 could have potentially got you $27,000 in profit. If you want to seek an alpha, if you looked at any of the news out there, nobody would tell you that you should get long PZZA, except for some trader somewhere in the world. That trader took a $600,000 bet if they didn't sell stock and sold on the high to about $3.5 million. So the thing that makes me different than anybody else, guys, is I am not making my own trades myself. I'm watching a proprietary-based scanner that costs $5,000 a year. I'm analyzing, I'm dissecting that scanner, and I'm putting on the best potential trades for you. Every trade and every signal will get sent to you via text and email. Okay? So every single trade is based on a scanner. That scanner costs $5,000 a year for that scanner. You don't need the scanner. Why? Because I do all the legwork for you. I dissect and I analyze everything for you. So you do not have to. The PZZA October 45 calls increased 300%. $250 turned into $1,000. $1,000 turned into $4,000. The two patterns behind the supercharged trading system are the following. The two patterns that we observed before many of the big winners worked together to make up the supercharged trading system are, number one, surging buyers in the option market. So we're looking for call or put activity, large, huge quantities in the option market. So we're watching for institutional order flow in the option market in calls or puts. We're looking for stocks that have asset criteria of unusual option activity to the upside or downside. Unusual option activity must be present in the options market as an original hint that a trade is setting up a supercharged trading system. We don't try to predict when unusual option activity will hit. Okay? So it's going to hit when it hits. We have no idea. It could hit tomorrow. It could hit next week. I analyze, dissect 8,700 publicly traded companies, so you do not have to. 4,199 with options in those companies. 20 of the best trades. Out of those 20, I will send you the one best signal today. The one signal today, guys, made 35% profit. So we saw institutional order flow in the option market and CL. Let me bring this up real quick. So CL, you can see on the bottom right, I took a 50 lot for $487 of profit. So that one signal today made $500. If you make $500 a day, 5 days a week, that is $125,000. And it shouldn't be that hard trading this system that I'm here to teach you today. $125,000 at $500 a day. And that's trading a small account. We then discovered that the charts line up to make the average trader thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit using this system. Therefore, the supercharged trading system ignores any news. The one thing you got to realize, guys, is you don't have to read news anymore. It doesn't matter. When I trade earnings, I don't care what the top line is. I don't care what the bottom line is. All I care about is the stock in a rally or sell off. All you have to care about is unusual option activity. Institutional order flow in the option market. That is it. Here's the example of the trade we saw in HAIN. Institutional order flow in the option market. A trader bought 4,465 HAIN. August, 27 calls for $1.35. This is the right, but not obligation, to control 446,000 shares of HAIN between now and August expiration. And for this right, they paid $1.35. So the right, but not obligation, to control 446,000 shares of HAIN, and this was a $600,000 bet. Condition number 2, short-term bottom or top with multiple candles. So number one, unusual option activity. Number two, technical analysis. If you combine those two, recipe for disaster. And you say to yourself, AK, where can I get this unusual option activity? Well, you could buy this scanner for $5,000 a year. It's $4,800 a year. Or what you could do is not waste your time during the day. Let me read, let me analyze, let me dissect all the trades for you so you do not have to. Then we look at well-defined patterns for unusual option activity and other strikes in other months. We found that unusual option activity often supercharges the chart for optimal setups to trigger. The charts define the price action that supercharged trading system. The reversal continuation must be present for a second condition for the supercharged trading system. So number two, technical analysis. Okay. So consolidation, reversal, or continuation. So number one, unusual option activity. Without that, you're dead. You're sitting duck. What did they say? So without that, you're a sitting duck. If you combine that with trading, technical analysis, you can get to where you need to be. Here's a supercharged trading system in PZZA, so institutional order flow in the option market. A trader bought PZZA, October 45 calls. There was not one analyst on TV that would tell you to get long PZZA. Doesn't matter. None of that matters. The only thing that matters is some trader somewhere in the world decided to get long PZZA October 45 calls. Why? We have no idea. Remember, three conditions. Condition number one, institutions have access to information technology that we do not have as a retail trader. That is a fact. Number two, they are trading on insider information. Number three, they're going to get a better ROI or return on investment if they are trading options instead of stock. And number four, there's a less chance of getting in trouble with the SEC and the OCC if they're trading options and stock. When all bullish conditions line up, we look to buy, calls, or puts. So this strategy is so easy because you can use it in a 401k. There is no spreads involved. There are only calls and there's puts. That is it. It's simple and it's easy when you're looking to trade this. The supercharged trading system can also be bearish. So this works in both market conditions. This works for a bullish market condition and it works for a bearish market condition. It does not have to be exactly bullish or bearish. It can work in either market condition. Bearish supercharged trading system forecasts when a stock is about to drop. Just example as in X and Citi. For bearish, the supercharged trading system, we first look at unusual option activity in the option market. So this system is so simple and it's so easy. Number one, guys, unusual option activity. Okay, and then number two, we look for technical analysis to line up with the chart. Here is an example here in Citi. So in Citi, institutional order flow in the option market, a trader bought Citi puts. We can see they bought puts and then the stock broke the cloud to the downside. As they broke the cloud to the downside, this trader made a lot of money. Second, we look for consolidation with overlapping candles. Here's an example, PZZA, institutional order flow in the option market. A trader bought PZZA calls. Okay, PZZA calls were bought on a 52-week low. I bought these calls. I made over $13,000. I do not know how much my subscribers made, but I know I got a lot of emails and people thanking me for that trade in PZZA. When all triggers line up, we get a bullish pattern. So PZZA, just two conditions, guys. That is it. Condition number one, unusual option activity or institutional order flow in the option market. Condition number two, technical analysis. Calls were literally bought on a 52-week low. As I look at PZZA right now, it is trading above $56. So this trader somehow knew to get long this stock. With bearish patterns, we look to buy puts. So it's a simple and easy strategy, guys. Well, all I'm looking to do is either buy calls or buy puts. That is it. I'm not getting complex. I'm not doing butterflies. There's 27 different option strategies. You can employ this strategy in your trading immediately. When supercharged trading signals occurred, they seek to forecast a big move in stock. When U.S. Steel, letter X, calls were bought, a bearish supercharged trading system was generated. So here we see U.S. Steel puts were bought in letter X, U.S. Steel, right here. So unusual option activity, institutional order flow in the option market. Puts were bought. Number two, consolidation. If it's not going to find new buyers, it needs to find sellers. Combine those two, I'll give you the supercharged trading system. The X puts increased 750%. $100 turned into $850. $1,000 turned into $8,500. When AA Alcoa had the golden rule, a bullish supercharged trade signal was confirmed and unusual option activity was present. So here's the signal, guys, and this is copied straight from the scanner. Trader bought 15,000. AA Alcoa, August 24th. 45 calls for 55 cents. So this is a right but obligation to buy 1.5 million shares of Alcoa between now and August 24th expiration. And for that right, they paid 55 cents. Well, what happened? Stock shut up to the upside. Here's my count, and this is Thinkorswim. And you can see here, I made $3,700 profit in an hour. Close your eyes and imagine what you'd do if you had an extra $3,700. Maybe you pay off a credit card. Maybe you would pay a mortgage of a house. Maybe you put down payment of a car. This is $3,700 cash profit in my account, in my pocket, with no position on, and this took about an hour and a half for me in Alcoa. And when Electronic Arts had the golden rule, I knew it was going to take off. Here's Electronic Arts. Another screenshot, guys, in Electronic Arts. I made $3,000 profit in, you know how long this took me, guys? It took me 9 minutes. And most of these are not day trades, they're swing trades. But this trade took 9 minutes for me to make $3,000. Imagine what you'd do if you had an extra $3,000, okay? All that took me was 9 minutes, guys. And you could potentially make this much money in this short period of time as well, trading the supercharged trading system. The EA, August 24th, 134 calls, increased 200%. $250 turned into $750. $1,000 turned into $3,000. Supercharged trading system essentials. If big moves in stocks can make big money trading options, and if our risk is limited to what we pay for the option. So every single signal you're going to get is going to give you a quantity. It's going to give you a strike. stock, expiration, stop loss, and 2 profit targets. Then it's possible the supercharged trading system might be the ultimate option trading strategy. In fact, this breakthrough strategy could be one of the best ways to trade options that we have ever seen. What really convinced us of the power of the supercharged trading system is the fact that these are real trades with real money. This is an example of how I made $12,000 profit in a $25,000 cash account. So people always say, AK, you've got too much money. You can add to losing positions. And I said to them, you know, that's nonsense. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a $25,000 account and I'm going to see how much money I can make in 6 weeks. I made 50% profit in 6 weeks before commissions, guys. So this kind of profits and possibilities is endless if you take advantage of the supercharged trading system. And you can see it here, about $12,000 profit here on the supercharged trading system in 6 weeks. 1 signal a day, max probably about 4 a week. Okay, so 4 signals a week. I took advantage of this and I made close to $12,000 before commissions. Okay, and these are potential returns that you could get if you take advantage of the supercharged trading system today. A mere $2,000 into each trade, I listed would have made you $24,000 of profit. Okay, so the things you guys got to realize, number 1, I trade real capital all the time. Number 2, I'm a millionaire from trading. Number 3, I'm going to give you my hand-selected trades every single day. Quantity, stop, strike, expiration, call or put. So you can trade this in a 401k because there's only calls or puts. And then stop losses and profit targets. Now it's important to understand that there will be losing trades in the supercharged trading system. No trading strategy will make money all the time. That is a fact. But it's okay to get 50% losers when you're finding large winners that are 333% and 550%. That's what our strategy is. Limit the losers and go for huge, huge, massive winners. So you say, AK, how can I take advantage of this? I want the supercharged trading signals. Nod your head up and down if you want to potentially make thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars, if not potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars of profit in a new system. Okay, you guys have tried everything before. It hasn't worked. You're here on a webinar today because you've tried everything else. Well, now try something else. You could monitor a list of 4,199 actionable ideas every day to track the 2 supercharged trading system conditions. Or you could let millionaire trader AK, which is Andrew Keene, find the supercharged trading system's signals for you. Okay, 8,700 publicly traded companies. 4,199 with options in those companies. 20 of the best signals a day. So it spits out 1,000 trades a day. It's probably 20 good signals a day. There's always, always, always one best trade. I'm going to hand select what I think the best trade is. And my guarantee is if I do not give you a percentage return better than the S&P. Okay, so we have the S&P. We'll say for the next year, the S&P, whatever the S&P is, because the hedge fund manager's goal is to beat the S&P. Okay, so here's you have the hedge fund manager. Then you have AK. I will guarantee that I beat the hedge fund, the S&P, by 5 times. Okay? So whatever the S&P goes up over the next year, let's say it goes up 6%, I guarantee I will 5x the S&P. Why? Because I believe in my system. If not, I cannot do a money back guarantee, but what I'll do is I'll give you the next year for free. Okay? So if you take every single trade on the Supercharged trading system, I will guarantee I will 5x the S&P results in the next year. Whatever the S&P does from today, which is 28.1175, I will 5x the S&P. The S&P is up 1%, I'll get guaranteed 5%. The S&P is up 12%, I'll get 60%. Using the Supercharged trading system, I cannot give your money back or guarantee profitability, but what I can do is I can give you the next year for free. So that's my guarantee today. We expect to find approximately 16 to 20 Supercharged system alerts every single month sent to your inbox. So no more guessing, no more thinking about trades, no more analyzing, no more dissecting, no more doing anything. Okay? All you have to do is get the signals, put in the signals, and you put in a stop loss, and then you're good to go. And I will guarantee a 5x the S&P over the next year. Okay? Or we'll give you the next one for free. So, every single signal will give you the symbol, the strike, expiration for each signal. So, for example, buy 10 of the Keene, August 17th, 27 calls for $1.30. Stop loss, 65 cents. So 5 at 2, so 5 at 2.30. So on this trade, you could have risked $650. You would have made about $850. If you held it to now, you would have made even more money because those calls went to $9, guys. It's simple enough that my 25-year-old father could trade. So I taught my father how to trade options. He's been a member for 6 years. And best of all, we will target the Supercharged trading system. Oh. Whoa. Sorry. And best of all, we will target Supercharged trading system like these. Okay. This is an example of CNQ. I personally made $31,850 in CNQ using this signal. Okay. The CNQ, September, 36 calls, increase 400%. $100 turned into $500. $1,000 turned into $6,000. And this is potentially the kind of money you guys can make if you take advantage of the Supercharged trading system. And we only have about 25 spots available. There's over 100 people on this webinar, so you must act immediately. Here's the CNQ on Thinkorswim. As you can see here, these calls went from 50 cents to $2.50. This was a Supercharged trading signal. This was a signal that was sent out, and you could make potentially this much profit on this trade. Melco, M-A-C-L. October, 23 calls, increased 300%. $100 turned to $400. $1,000 turned into $4,000. You can see here, Melco calls from 60 cents to over $2. The FEYE call options not only made me personally over $8,000. But they were mentioned on CNBC 3 hours later. So a lot of these signals will hit CNBC hours after I put on the trade and already sent these signals to my subscribers. Here's an example of FEYE. You can see I made $7,000 profit. I was on a bus to the Hamptons, and they mentioned on CNBC, and they skyrocketed. Okay, 7,200, 600, 200, and 200. $8,200, guys. Imagine what you would do if you had 8,000 extra dollars. These kind of profitability and results are very, very possible. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and guarantee you're going to make $8,000 in a day, but using the supercharged trading system, there has been signals where I've personally made $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. That is why I'm taking time out of my day to teach you guys this system. Here's a picture of Pete Najarian on CNBC talking about the FEYE calls that I already was in 3 hours earlier. So there he goes, talking about it. I was in a bus going to the Hamptons when this was mentioned on CNBC. Literally on a bus when this trade profited. I was on my phone, and the great thing about trading, you can trade mobile, right? You can trade on your phone. I was taking a bus. I made $8,000 on the Hampton Jimny. We want you to master the supercharged trading system. You're also going to get my master course. It's called the Supercharged Trading System Exposed. In the Supercharged Trading System, I'll walk you through the trading system, soup to nuts. Everything you see here, along with clear examples, will be available for you to follow. Okay? So this is a Supercharged Trading System course we're going to throw in for free only if you sign up today. Supercharged Trading System, condition number 1, unusual option activity. Supercharged Trading System, condition number 2, consolidation for continuation or reversals. Supercharged Trading System, pattern examples. Call option examples, put option examples. Also, you're going to get our options position sizing calculator. My non-blowout trading plan. I've blown out trading, I think, 4 times. It is not fun. Nobody wants to blow out trading. I'm going to teach you guys how you can never blow out trading. Hold on, let me give a sip of water real quick. So you're going to get a supercharged trading system. You're going to get the option position sizing calculator. You're going to get my non-blowout trading plan. You're going to get my confidence scale. You're going to get my list of the best and worst stocks to trade. Okay, these certain stocks trade better for unusual option activity. Certain stocks trade worse for unusual option activity. So the supercharged trading system, real time, targeting big moves in stocks. Okay, remember 3 things. Number 1, hedge funds trade on insider information. That is 100% a fact. Okay. Number 2, they will make more money if they're trading options instead of stock. And number 3, there's a less chance of them getting in trouble if they're trading on options versus stock. You understand all that? It's a recipe to make a lot of money, guys, in the option market. You have traded everything before in the past. You have not made money. You've taken time out of your day to listen to me talk about something. Take advantage of this while you can, because we will probably sell out. We only have a limited amount of spots. So you could scan 4,199 optionable stocks for the supercharged trading system. Every single alert will be sent to to your email and via SMS. Most of the signals are sent within the first hour of the day. No gray area, no guessing. You're going to get an entry, stop loss, and exits. Profit target strategies. Plus, as always, professional customer service. Now, a lot of people have problems with customer service. We have a team on board that will answer all your questions and help you. You will also get access to my own personal email. If you guys have any questions about any trades I can help you with, I will try to help you with most of my ability. So this is a supercharged trading system, guys. Make sure you guys sign up. We only have 25 spots available. It's optionsonthefloor.com/super. This is a 1-year program, guys. So this is not a monthly program. This is not a 3-month program. This is you committing to your trade. Yeah, just email me and I'll take care of it. I'll just put you my email here. This is a 1-year program. So what you're going to get here, guys, is you're going to get 1 year of the Supercharged Trading System alerts via text and email. 16 to 20 trades per month. You're going to get the Supercharged Trading System exposed. This is a $1,000 course. We're going to throw this in for free. You're going to get the daily ATR indicator on Thinkorswim. That is a $650 value. You're going to get the Traders Proven Cheat Sheet, $100 value. This is a total of a $3,744 value. Okay. I'm throwing it today for only $997. This is a 1-year program, guys. I see Jim is in. I see Deborah is in. I see Barbara is in. I'm going through my email. I see Rocco is in. I see Chris is in. We only have 25 of these available, guys. Options on the floor forecast super, okay? And this is the guarantee I'm making you guys today, okay? The S&P, whatever it is, 1 year from today, right now it was at 28,1650, okay? So hypothetically speaking, if you bought the S&P 1 year from today, okay, then you have the hedge fund manager, which probably competes against the S&P. The supercharged trading signals will get you 5 times whatever the S&P does. If not, I'll give you the next year for free. That is the guarantee I'm making you today because I'm so confident in my trading. I've been trading for a very long time. Optionsonthefloor.com. So if you just park your money in the S&P over the next year, on average, you're going to make 10.5%. Well, I'm going to tell you if you're going to make 10.5%, and in that, if you take every single trade, the supercharged trading system will be up 50%. Okay? The S&P goes up 20%, you'll be up 100%. And why I can guarantee this is because I know I've been trading for 14 years, and I know the capability of my trading. So this is the supercharged trading system, guys. This is everything you guys get. Jack is in. Debbie is in. I don't like when women sign up. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just sexist. So this is everything you're going to get here, guys. You're going to get 1 year of the Supercharged Trading System alerts. You're going to get the Supercharged Trading System exposed. It's a $1,000 course. You're going to get the daily ATR indicator on Thinkorswim. I use it every single day in my trading. You're going to get the proven cheat sheet. It is a $3,744 value. And we're offering it to you guys for $997. And the thing you guys got to understand, this is a 1-year program. You're not going to get charged again till almost 2020. So make sure you guys take advantage of this immediately. If we have any questions, we can look at any charts here. Let's look at some charts. So make sure you guys sign up. More people are signing up. If you want all the bonuses, you're going to have to sign up today. All right. So give me any stock you guys want, and I'll tell you bullish, bearish, or neutral here in a second using the Ichimoku Cloud. So any stock you guys want. Skip is in. Chris is in. NVIDIA, Boeing. So Boeing, one of the Dow components. So I use something called Ichimoku Kinkin Hoi. So Boeing here. This is more of a, I don't really think either way here. I don't think it's bullish or bearish. So I'd be looking to buy the bottom and sell the top. So I don't think Boeing's anything here. I would, buy it around 330, sell it around 395. It's actually stuck in the middle. So I don't think Boeing actually does anything. I don't have a bias in either direction. NVIDIA, up 270 today. NVIDIA just hit a 52-week low. I think this is a dead cat bounce that needs to be sold. I've been wrong before, and I'll be wrong again. But I think everything that is under the Ichimoku cloud should be sold. I think anything that is under the cloud should be sold. So NVIDIA, I'd rather be short than long. HD, same thing. I think this is a dead cat bounce. I think the market will be sold. I've been wrong before. I'll be wrong again. HD, Caterpillar. I'm massively short Caterpillar, and it's crushing me. I think it needs to be sold again. All these charts almost look the same. We broke the cloud to the downside. I'm having problems, so you want to get in? It's options on the floor.com/super, guys. You can get in. Make sure you guys get it. It's a $4,000 value. And I'll show you what it looks like here. So I just put the link in. So you're good. 1-year program, guys. You won't be billed again until basically 2020. So take advantage of the 1-year program. Tilray, I think Tilray is a buy in any pullback. Tilray finally getting a cloud here. They just started talking about legalizing marijuana in Michigan. I think Tilray is great around the 104 level. The cloud is one standard deviation, yes. ISRG, I actually have a friend who really likes the stock. I think this is a dead cat bounce that needs to be sold. I think a lot of these stocks are producing dead cat bounce that need to be sold. I would look for a breakout to the cloud to the downside, and then I would short it. Apple. I think Apple's going to get sold. Everybody, when Apple went, it's so funny, when Apple went to 197, everybody said they're selling Apple. Oh, it just went up 12%, 6%. I think Apple's a short. Here's the link, guys. Make sure you guys get in. Options on the floor.com/super. We don't have that much spots left. Pete is in. Christopher is in. All right, so this is your supercharged trading system, guys. So this is the supercharged trading system. You're going to get 1 year of alerts via text and email. You're going to get supercharged trading system exposed. This is a course. You're going to daily ATR indicator. You're going to the traders proven cheat sheet. Total, this is a $3,744 value. We are offering it to you guys today for only $997. If you broke this down, the $997, this is 12 months. Okay, so this is a 12-month subscription. 12 months gives you about $80 a month. And you get all the bonuses. You get to keep all the bonuses, guys. So it's $80 a month. $80 a month. There's 32 days. It's about $2 a day. If you cannot afford $2 a day to get the best potential signal of the day, you should not be trading it at all. So here is your link, guys. It's optionsonthefloor.com/super. Optionsonthefloor.com/super. This is a 1-year program, guys. Not 1 month, not 6 months, 1-year program. Couple more signals here, and then we're going to call it a night. Does anybody have any other signals they want to look at? UNH, meow. So MEOH. Meow, I think it's a sell on any rally, guys. I think a lot of these stocks are producing sells on any rallies. So I'd sell Meow on any rally. GLUU. Ooh, wow, $8. I haven't seen this in a while. GLUU. Breaking the cloud to the upside. I'd be looking to buy a pullback around the 750 level, but it's looking pretty good. UNH was on fire today. So UNH. UNH breaking the cloud to the upside here. I think UNH is a buy and a pullback. Here is the link, guys. optionsonthefloor.com/super. You're going to get the cheat sheet. You're going to get the ATR indicator. You're going to get 1 month of alerts. And my personal guarantee that I'll 5x the S&P over the next year. Okay? Why park your money in the S&P when you can get these trades sent to your phone every single day? I think you'd be crazy not to. And my guarantee will be I'll give you the next year for free. Square in earnings was down in earnings. Amazon was up $117 today. Crazy talk. So Amazon under the cloud here. I think Amazon's a sell in the rally. You know, you can aggressively short Amazon here with a stop at 1908. I think Amazon goes lower. I think Square is a sell in the rally. It sold off on earnings. So Square, breaking the cloud to the downside. I think Square is a short. I think so many of these setups, I think it's too early in the year to start getting long the market. I had this guy on TV. This guy on TV was like, oh, this is setting up a year-end rally. The year-end rally shouldn't start for a month. I think we need to find massive selling pressure between the end of the year. Ed is in. Jacqueline is in. Pamela's in. Optionsonthefloor.com/super. I'll go through 2 more charts here, guys. Just pick any chart you want. So this is a 1-year program, guys. It breaks down to about $2 a day. If you cannot afford $2 a day, you shouldn't be trading. Optionsonthefloor.com/super. You can get potential returns in Hain. I mean, if I went to my stocks that I made money on this year, and just look at this real quick. Okay. CNQ, 31,000. Hain, 23,000. Gilead, 16,000. Delta, 15,000. Halliburton, 12,000. AAL, 9,000. PZZA, 9,000. CIN, 8,700. FEY, up 8,400. These are the potential returns you can get, guys. If you don't like returns like this, don't take advantage of this offer. You're not going to hurt my feelings. All right, guys, that is it for the night. Everybody have a great, great night. See everybody tomorrow. I think the rally should be sold. I have been wrong. I've lost money. Take advantage of this offer while you can. You still have a couple spots left. Options on the floor. Options on the floor /super. Thanks, and everybody have a great night.